Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today I want to share a little story that really highlights why I love what I do. Sometimes life throws curveballs, and for one of our wonderful customers, that meant her iPhone 8 Plus was on its last legs, right when she needed it most. She was waiting for a replacement, but needed her current phone to hold out for just a few more weeks. Seeing her situation, I knew I had to do everything I could to help. It's not always about the latest and greatest. Sometimes it's about making sure you can stay connected when it matters. So I took a close look at her iPhone 8 Plus, and with a bit of care and attention, I was able to get it working reliably for her. It might not be the newest model, but knowing it will help her get through these next few weeks until her new phone arrives, that's a win in my book. It's these moments where we can genuinely make a difference for someone that truly make this work so rewarding. Thank you for letting me share this with you. If you found this story inspiring, feel free to follow along for more.